liquid always takes up the same amount of room, but it changes shape. Right? So if you pour water into a glass, it takes the shape of the glass. If you poured it on the table, it would spread out as a puddle on the table.
Madeline.
But it would still be the same amount. A gas also changes shape, but it expands to fill whatever it's in.
Eat your dinner.
So if you have, if this was gas, if it was steam, like when we boil the water in the kettle and it starts making that cry and you look, you can see the steam shooting out of it. That's the gas form of water. And gas will, if you have a little bit of gas in a big room, it'll expand until it
Can I have my water back?
fills the room. Sorry.
Okay. It's okay.
So, pressure, gas pressure is really the amount of gas there is in a given space. Okay? So, air pressure, when you blow in the tube, you're moving air through the tube. And you're moving air through the tube. And when the tube, at the end of the tube... Okay, relax, sweetie. This is all just peppers, okay? At the end of the tube, the air exits the tube and goes back out into the room. And where that happens, it makes the pressure change. And the way it changes is, it changes in a
totally boring way.
Awesome. Okay. Anyway, the way it works is basically there will be bursts when you blow into the tube.
Look at that.
The way it works is that there'll be bursts of pressure, and then troughs where the pressure is less. It goes like this. So the pressure goes like this. Okay. Now, when you blow across the tube, the pressure, the period of time between the pressure being like this and the pressure being like this depends on how long the tube is. So when the tube is short, it happens very fast, and when the tube is longer, it goes slower. Yes. Now, so now that's what's happening to the air pressure.
What are you doing?
To the tube.
Yummy ripping.
So
Yummy
when you
ripping.
hear a sound, what's happening is your eardrums and your nerves sense
Put the spin art
changes.
down, Julia.
They sense the
He's
changes
trying to tell
in
you
air
something.
pressure. They sense the changes in air pressure. And what you hear as a higher sound are faster changes in air pressure.
Yeah.
And lower sounds are slower changes in air pressure.
That's
Are we
okay.
done now?
Thank you for your complete disinterest. I told you could understand it, but I told you it would be a little tricky.
You failed the test, Julia.
It wasn't a test. This is not my
See,
finger.
when I was a kid, I would have thought that was really interesting.
Well,
This is not my fingerprint in the line.
that has everything to do with what Daddy just told you about. Bye.